Gymnastics bridge, feet elevated, high box. The gymnastics bridge is a great mobility exercise for the anterior side of the body, specifically shoulder flexion and thoracic extension. At the same time, it builds strength in the posterior chain. By placing the feet on an elevated surface, those who have limited shoulder and/or thoracic mobility can start to work on the gymnastics bridge with good form and a lower chance of injury. Place the feet on a high box. Place the hands on the floor beside the head with the fingers pointing towards the box. If wrist extension is limited, the fingers can be pointed out to the side. Keep the elbows in by imagining you are holding a beach ball between the elbows. From here, perform a hip bridge by contracting the glutes and extending the hips to form a straight line from knee to shoulder. Next, push into the floor to lift the shoulders up and place the top of the head on the floor. This allows us to adjust the hands into a comfortable position and makes the bridge push-up a little easier to manage. Keep the glutes contracted to prevent lumbar spine extension. Now push up by extending the elbows and opening the shoulder angle. Lock the elbows and take the head forward of the hands while looking to the horizon and not to the floor. Start to extend the legs by pushing the backs of the knees towards the floor. The aim is to have the shoulders vertically stacked above the hands or further away from the feet than the hands. This increases shoulder flexion. Contract the spinal erectors and aim to feel the stretch in the front side of the body, the shoulders, the pecs, the abdominals or the hip flexors, depending on where you are tight. Hold the bridge for the prescribed amount of time before reversing the bridge push-up and returning to the floor. Do not be in a rush to lower the height of the elevated surface. The primary goal is to improve shoulder and thoracic mobility, not to perform the bridge from the floor.